Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to assemble a Woozoo fan. And this will be an easy tutorial, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a Woozoo fan, and it was assembled, but I disassembled it really quickly because it's so easy to assemble. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, okay? So we have the base, we have the extension pole, we have the actual fan, and we have the remote, okay? Very, very simple. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the base, and we're going to get the extension pole. I'm going to extend it up, so I'm going to assemble it in its extended tall mode. You can do it in a shorter mode also if you want to, but I'm going to show you how to do it in the tall mode, and I'm going to do a separate video on switching between the tall and the short modes. So for this one, we're just going to show you the assembly process in its full height, okay? So we have the base right here. I'm going to take, and you can see it's unplugged right now, just so it's very clear, okay? What the status of it is, what the status and what the circumstance of this scenario is. Anyways, I've spoken way too much about that, okay? So we're going to take the extension pole, we're going to put it into the base. As you can see, it goes like this, very simple, clicks in place, okay? Now we've put the extension pole in. Now I'm going to take the fan, which is the actual main component, and I'm going to put it in the extension pole just like this, line it up nicely, clicks in place. As you can see, we have now assembled the actual fan. I'm going to take the remote. There's actually a remote storage spot over here, which is really, really cool. I really love this idea. I'm going to put the remote over there, and we've now assembled the fan. And what we can do is we can now plug it in, and I'm just going to show you that it works. So I can take the plug, I'm going to plug it in over here. Just give me a moment. Okay, it's now been plugged in. I think, there we go, I was going to say it should do like a beeping sequence to show you that it's been plugged in. And yeah, as you can see, it's working totally fine. So that's it, that's the assembly process, really, really easy. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else, so nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.